In this video, I will show you how to create a KrispCall account. So first of all, you can click on the link down in the description that will take you to this page. Now from here, you just want to click on Get Started, and that will take you to the registration page. Now you'll see from here, you simply need to enter your email address. Then here, tick this box that says I'm not a robot and just fill this in. And then go and click on sign up. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to your email address, so simply enter that right here. Then after doing that, you can create a KrispCall account by entering your first and last name, then your phone number right here. Now first you need to select your country. So for me it's the Netherlands, so I will just go here and select Netherlands. Then here add your password and confirm it, and then click sign up. So after doing that, you can choose whether you're going to use it for individual use or for business use. So for example, I will say for individual use and then click next. Now here you want to choose your use case, so for personal use, select the appropriate level of access to data. Now it could also be that you are going to use it for business use, and then you have some different options which you can see here. For example, make outbound calls, receive business calls, use it for marketing campaigns, a number for your website, customer service, or any of these other ones. For example, I'm going to say enable a call center. So if you did pick for business use, you need to enter your business name, your role, the business type, and the number of users, which means the number of phone numbers that you are going to be using. So then here you will see their pricing plans, and you can choose whether you want to bill monthly or annually. So monthly just means that you pay month to month, and annually you pay 1 year upfront, and you will save 20% if you do pay 1 year upfront. Now I'll just take the essential plan here, which is for small teams, startups and freelancers with unlimited calls, number porting and more. But if you have a larger business, then you will need to get the standard $40 per month plan if you want to get access to some more advanced features. Now just choose the essential plan for now and click next. So then here you can simply enter your payment details, and you can then just get started with using KrispCall. So after you confirm your payment, you have successfully created your account. So now you know how to create a KrispCall account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And again, if you want to get started with KrispCall, then you can click on the link down in the description and then here click on Get Started and then follow the steps that I showed you in this video. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.